In this 2-minute quick bioinformatics tutorial, we will learn how to perform draft bacterial genome annotation using BAKTA Web. This 2026 tutorial will guide you through the essential steps to quickly and efficiently annotate your bacterial genome data using an easy-to-use online platform. Let's get started. Copy the web page URL and paste it into your preferred web browser to access the site. Upload your draft genome. You can enter the genus, species, and strain information, but this is optional. Here, you can view the information about the replicans. Once all the information is ready, click the Submit button. Copy the link so you can access the results once the annotation is complete. You can access the results in the Jobs tab. Click on the task, and it may take a few minutes to load the results. In the Job Statistics tab, you can view genome features, such as the number of tRNA. You can view the annotation results in the Annotation table. Genome View is also available. You can find the genome map here. You can download all the important files here, including the genome FNA file and proteome FAA file. Keep in mind that the FAA file will be needed for future average amino acid identity, also known as AAI calculations. You can also download the circular plot here. Before we finish, a quick shout out to the institutions and agencies behind this platform. We've also added a scientific citation if you want to explore the topic further. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content.